Oh, there you go. That's how far down you go, guys. Bloody hell. Wow. That's holding on. That is taking some holding on, for sure.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can hold shape, find almost anything.
That's the anniversary version, so we've got 40 years. I think the price there is absolutely bang on, 17,599 on the road. And to see that in the flesh, it's stunning. It's a little bit narrower than what I thought, but that's a real nod back. I really like that. I think that's going to do really, really well. Not so sure about the size of that though. I mean, that's absolutely massive. It's bigger than my Fireblade. Huge. But nice machine, nice machine.
K5, oh yeah.
That's a K6. That doesn't look much different than the Thou. 125. That's a nice machine. I think that's really good value for money. The GSX S1000, under 11 grand. That's a lovely bike. Have a look at this Katana as well. That's a nice. That's a lovely thing as well. Really like that. We've got some more of the like retro style bikes. That's nice. And again, all reasonably priced, under 10 grand. GSX 8TT. Yeah, look at that, that's stunning. It's lovely that. Good opportunity there to get your knee down. So get yourself into the Suzuki stand and you can get your knee down safely. That's the new V-Strom as well. That's a nice machine. Again, you know, really sensibly priced as well, these bikes. And then they're really hammering with this 10-year warranty. I'm not sure what you need to do to have the 10-year warranty, but yeah, that's impressive. And this thing here, I couldn't get a proper look at that when I first came this morning, but that's the 8 GSX, and I think the colourway on that is absolutely stunning. It really is. And that's the same bike in a different colourway. I just love the red and the yellow flash. Oh, sorry. And then that's a nice thing. So you've got the touring pack for this bike here. So if you don't fancy a really big touring machine, go with something like this GSX 8T. You know, for under 10 grand, you can do some lightweight touring with these panniers. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Really, really nice looking bike. Same bike, different colour. That's a beautiful colour. It's like a gold. Can I just ask you a question?
Of course.
10-year warranty. How does that work?
So it's a service activated warranty.
Yeah.
So it's 3-year manufacturing warranty from us at Suzuki GB, and then after that it's every 12 months. So you get a service done. Every 12 months it rolls over another 12 months.
That's brilliant. 10
service.
Yeah.
You get a service again, another 12 month warranty, up to 10 years.
They're obviously confident, aren't they, in the products? They're putting a 10-year warranty on.
There's not many manufacturers out there that do it. I mean, we're doing it with cars as well.
Yeah.
They're probably looking towards doing that with maybe with marine and ACV, because we deal with Ford products. So.
Wow. I am interested in the GSX R1000 potentially when that comes. I had a K1. You've got one on the stand.
It's the limited number coming in.
Oh, is there?
So
if you want one, you have to order now. Yeah. Right, there you go, guys. If you want one, you need to put your money down now. So when are they out? When's the bike coming out?
That's a very good question. I don't know the answer. Right. Sometime in the new year, I would guess.
It'll be March time, I would have thought, for the new season. It's got to be on it. I would have thought. Yeah.
I'm low down on the fruit tree on that one.
It's got to be out. I reckon they'll have demo bikes Jan, Feb. They've got to do. Because that's when all the other brands are launching their demos. Jan, Feb. So
possibly. Yeah.
It'll be ready now, won't it? I would have thought.
Yeah, you'd have thought it'd been built and then just waiting on shipping dates, I'd have thought.
But yeah, I saw the K1, the 2001, and I traded mine in for a BMW S1000. I wish I'd have kept it now, so I'm just looking at it thinking, because I didn't get a load of money, I got like $2.5 grand trading. I thought, I wish
it's cool seeing all the old bikes on the front.
Yeah.
This is a lot of fun. You sit there and look at them, I want that.
I'm going to film it now. So I was here this morning and it just mobbed, I couldn't get in. So it's like, I think everyone's having lunch, aren't they?
Yeah, got a bit quieter.
Yeah. Right, good chatting to you. Cheers. And that's the knee down. So you get a picky and get your knee down on that bike. Can you do us a favour? Can you just hold that while I jump on? Yeah, well, that's why I want to do it. I'm filming, so here, just watch me bag. I just want to have a go. I've got to get on it. Let's see if I can do it. Is this really how far they lean over, do you reckon? Bloody hell. Right, hang on. Oh, there you go. That's how far down you go, guys. Bloody hell. Wow. That's holding on. That is taking some holding on, for sure. I can feel it working my biceps. Oh, wow. Bloody hell. Right, come on, it's your turn now. Come on, get on.
Well, you can't get it to me, can you?
Wow. Go on, lean over a bit more. Wow. Yeah, it takes some doing, doesn't it? No, you're going to have a go as well. Yeah, you'll be on my video then.
We don't look just sit there.
Yeah, do it. You've got to do it. I wanted to do it early, but there was a real big queue. Go on then. Yeah, if you're really good.
Only when you work around the roundabouts and that's when I stop on a hill and look at
Yeah, shit.
and then all of a sudden they want to pitch me up. I'll be a crane, a lift, everything, and an ambulance getting you right up there. Is it well for this? God.
I manage it, but it's like, that's your arm. You're like holding on. Wow, yeah.
That's impressive.
Nice one. Didn't he tell you though, when you've done this, you've got to buy it? Yeah, you've got to buy one now.
That was actually impressive. Sorry, mate, I didn't see it. That's the only time I'll get to that.
Yeah. So yeah, the Suzuki stand is massive. It really is. And I tell you what, this new GT here, really do like that. That's the GSX-S GT. That is a really nice looking machine. I'm not sure whether the panniers come with the bike as standard, but let's have a look. So no, they'll be extra. So there's some accessories on this bike, 630 quid. So the panniers will be on top. But that's a really nice looking bike. We've got the Hayabusa.
As much as the
That's a nice looking thing. I always think they look a bit like bubbly at the front, but fastest production bike in the world at one point that was. And then we've got the new GSX-R 1000. It's a really nice thing. I think the exhaust is quite big. It's very long. It suits the bike, but a bit big for me that. But yeah, what a nice looking thing that is. And there's a K1 that I had. Should never have sold that. So now we're at the Yamaha stand. We'll have a little look and see what's available here. All the merch there in the shop. Really good selection of bikes here on the Yamaha stand. That's a gorgeous thing. I love that XR 900. That's a real nice looking machine. It's got acro on it as well, so it'll sound tasty. I prefer this one though, this GP XSR 900. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking colour, really like that. But the yellow, I think, is even better. That colour is amazing. Nice looking bike. And then we've got the MT-09. They never get boring. And that's the SP version, so you've got Brembo, Öhlins, semi-active suspension.
That's the controls on that.
What deals are we offering? 5.9 as well on an MT-09 new. Then we've got the adventure section. Ah, nice, a tracer, I like that. That's nice. Take a picture with you both on it. I'll stand back and you'll be in my video now. Suits you, looks great.
Yeah, thanks.
Really, really nice. Do you want it that way or that way? Sorry. Alright. There you go, I took a couple either way. Have a look on YouTube, you'll be on Wednesday, Mid-Bike Crisis.
Cheers.
Don't forget.
Oh, okay, don't worry about that.
But hey, honestly, it suits you, that's really good that.
Yeah, so
I love the stealth.
I've got a GS, so I'm just comparing sizes.
I've got an XR, so a similar sort of...
This is decent. I don't think that's big enough tank.
I don't know, what is it? I mean, that was pretty...
GT. I mean, this is 15.
Oh, right. Cheers. Yeah. So it's DCT then, yeah. I had in Africa twin DCT. They take a bit of getting used to. But do you know what? Once you've ridden with that, they are good.
Oh yeah, no, you won't go back.
No, well, I sold it, and then I look back thinking I should have kept that.
Yeah,
Yeah, nice.
Cheers, mate.
Hey, nice chatting to you. I love these Tenerés. Show you these quickly. Oh, look at that. Stunning, really nice. And then look at this this colour here. I mean, that's a gorgeous colour, that really, really is a nice colour. Which one do you prefer, this one or this one? There really is some interesting bikes for 2026. Right, we're going to move along now to a different stall, but this has been Yamaha.